Empowering global investors. Limited stay visa as a strategic gateway to business and residency in Indonesia. Indonesia remains an attractive investment destination for foreign investors. To support the investment climate, the government provides the limited stay visa for foreign investment or Index E28A, which allows foreign investors to reside and conduct business in Indonesia for 2 years, with an extension subject to the prevailing immigration policies. This visa is granted to foreign investors intending to invest and stay in Indonesia for 2 years. It also provides access to various business and investment activities as regulated by Indonesian law. Holders of the limited stay visa are granted various rights that facilitate their investment and business activities in Indonesia. They are permitted to conduct business, make investments, and establish companies, as well as serve as board members or commissioners in the invested company. Additionally, they can oversee the production of goods or services within their businesses, including offices, factories, or other operational locations. If they obtain a dual-activity stay permit, they may also work under an employment relationship or pursue education. Visa holders have the right to bring their families to reside in Indonesia in accordance with immigration regulations and can freely enter and exit the country as long as their re-entry permit remains valid. Furthermore, they are allowed to engage in tourism and visit friends or family while staying in Indonesia. Visa holders have certain obligations that must be fulfilled during their stay in Indonesia. They are required to comply with all applicable laws and regulations and to respect local customs, culture, and traditions. Additionally, they must have sufficient financial means to support themselves while residing in Indonesia. If engaged in a working relationship with an Indonesian company, they are also obligated to adhere to the terms of their employment contract. Visa holders are subject to certain restrictions during their stay in Indonesia. They are prohibited from remaining in the country beyond the permitted duration of stay and from engaging in any form of employment that does not comply with the terms of their granted stay permit. Applicants for a limited stay visa must meet both general and specific requirements. The general requirements include a valid national passport with at least 6 months of remaining validity, a sponsorship letter from a guarantor in Indonesia, proof of sufficient financial means to cover living expenses, and a recent color passport-sized photo. Additionally, specific requirements must be fulfilled, such as proof of share ownership of at least 10 billion Indonesian rupiahs, or its equivalent, as recorded in the Investment Ministry's data, a ministerial decree approving the establishment of a limited liability company, and company bank statements for the last 2 months. In addition to the requirements mentioned above, additional provisions apply to visa applicants who are stateless or hold travel documents other than a national passport, for examples, temporary passports, emergency passports, and similar documents. These applicants must provide a re-entry permit to their country of origin and a return or onward ticket to another country, except for transport crew members. The visa is valid for 90 days from the date of issuance. If not used within this period mentioned above, the applicant must apply for a new visa to enter Indonesia. The limited stay visa for foreign investment or Index E28A offers a great opportunity for foreign investors to establish and expand their businesses in Indonesia. With clear regulations and various privileges, this visa scheme aims to attract more foreign investment and boost Indonesia's economic growth. If you, a prospective client, have further inquiries about the topic discussed above, Schinder Law Firm is one of the leading corporate law firms in Indonesia, with extensive experience handling similar matters. Our team of professional corporate and civil lawyers makes us one of the top consulting firms in Indonesia. Feel free to contact us at info@schinderlawfirm.com for further consultation.